The Somme Museum at Conleg outside Bangor is dedicated to remembering the best known battle of the Great War and its huge connection with Northern Ireland and Ulster-Scots heritage. On the first 2 days of the Somme, the 36th Ulster Division lost more than 5,500 men. Liam, a very lifelike recreation of a World War I trench here, and the word grim springs to mind.
A good word. It conveys just how muddy and mucky the whole area was, and I would call this glar.
Glar, that's Ulster-Scots word for muck or dirt. Is it like clabber?
Yes, but glar says to me it sticks a wee bit, and you can see it's on the helmets, the clothes, on the boots. It was absolutely everywhere in Flanders.
We've reached no man's land, the space between the British and the German trenches, and a desolate, desolate place.
And what this recreates is the presence of stoor, we call dust in Ulster-Scots, but it's the detritus of war, and it's everywhere, and it's grey. And over there you can see where they've put in some poppies which were everywhere in the Somme battlefields. A tremendous contrast and a memory of the blood shed by the men who fought and died here.
There's just so much to see here at the Somme Museum, so we'll be back again next time.